Hello Habib, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine as well. After a long time, I met you.
Yes. I went to visit the village home with my parents.
That is great. Where is your village home? I like the village a lot.
My village home is Netrokona. This is a very beautiful district of Bangladesh.
Yes, I went there. My uncle's house is there. Whatever, how do you pass your time nowadays?
You know, I am very weak in spoken English. So, I am trying to improve my English speaking power. But learning English seems very difficult to me. I need your help.
Welcome. To be a good speaker in English, you must follow some basic rules.
What are these? Would you please tell me?
If you want to improve your overall English skills, you must develop 4 skills.
What are these 4 skills? And how can I develop these skills?
The 4 skills are listening, speaking, reading and writing. To improve your writing skills, you must learn the basic grammar rules.
Oh, I see. But is that all?
No, you have to write some pages every day. You also need to learn new vocabulary and their correct usage and spelling.
But, how can I improve my reading skills?
It is easy to improve your reading skills if you read English storybooks and English newspapers daily.
Great, I try to read English newspapers every day. But it sometimes seems a lot harder.
You must remember the meaning of new words. Then it will gradually become easier.
How can I improve my pronunciation?
You can watch BBC, CNN, Discovery, or English news channels on television to improve your pronunciation skills. Also, you should practice speaking English with your friends.
British and American English are difficult for me to understand.
This happened to me as well. But I have developed a lot by listening to BBC News.
This is an excellent idea. Thank you so much for all the advice.
My pleasure. See you again.